Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, December 1st, 2020. It's a bee day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Yesterday, we were named the #1 school during the pandemic. Oh my goodness, Idea South Flores scholars, it's because of you that we had that ranking. Thank you for all your hard work. Thank you for working so hard every day and making every day count. Also, remember scholars, your attendance is super important so that you don't miss out on lessons. So, yesterday I was able to see lots of scholars working in writing class, doing an amazing job in their reading class. Also, math. I've seen our math scores go up, up, up. You are all doing an amazing job. Make sure every day you read. We're looking for more royal readers, so make sure you read every day. Again, next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, we're going to have our semester exams. So, get a lot of rest, do your best, and we will see you tomorrow. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!